The first thing to know about type 2 diabetes is that it is basically the body's inability to process sugar properly. Because your body doesn't process sugar right, most people have to have a blood sugar monitor. If their sugar is way out of whack or really high, they usually have to be on medications to lower their blood sugar level. When it comes to your type 2 diabetes prognosis, you should know that monitoring your blood sugar and taking medications are two things that are likely to happen. Most people, when they're young, never imagine that they will ever get seriously sick. The worst thing they consider is a bad cold or having their tonsils removed. Because of poor diet and lack of exercise, with so many people in the world, diabetes has become an epidemic. It is important that if you have been diagnosed with diabetes, specifically type 2, that you know what this disease consists of. When you understand the cause of a disease and the possible type 2 diabetes prognosis, it is much easier to face it head-on. Type 2 diabetes shouldn't be underestimated. The type 2 diabetes prognosis usually includes possible heart problems, stroke, kidney disease, and even premature death. Some people start to have problems with their eyes, even blindness. Others may have numbness in the limbs that could lead to amputation. Each one of these possible prognoses are very serious. That is why if you have type 2 diabetes, you should get under the care of a qualified physician that can help you know what to do to monitor your blood sugar levels. Even though it is hard to face the facts of having type 2 diabetes, you should. The sooner you understand your type 2 diabetes prognosis, the quicker you can get under the care of a doctor. Just like any other disease, you are much more likely to stay healthy longer if you take care of your body. Diet and exercise are so important once you have been diagnosed. It is essential that you make sure that you make some lifestyle changes. Diabetes can cause some serious problems, but you are much less likely to have these problems if you take the proper precautions. Learn more at type-2-diabetes-prognosis.info.